Hi guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. Just going out to run some errands before Christmas Eve so that everything's ready for Christmas. And my husband is throwing snowballs at me. Hey, stop that. He's so nice, right? So I decided to wear my homemade stocking cap today because I was told yesterday by the UPS driver that my Buccaneers cap is like, I don't know, a trigger for New Englanders. Nice, right? So I thought I'd be nice on Christmas Eve. Anyways, today's video, I'm going to show you some JD Glow eyeshadows my son bought me for my birthday. They are super beautiful and I'm wearing them right now. So if you want to see the way I got this look and see some swatches of those new JD Glow shadows, just stay tuned. Hi guys. Okay, so I hope everyone out there had a fantastic holiday season. Merry Christmas, a happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate in this world, I hope it was joyful, especially this year. So if you saw the intro, which obviously you would have seen that before you've seen this, you would have seen that I got some JD Glow eyeshadows for Christmas. I am super stoked about it. My son asked me what I wanted for Christmas. I told him that I wanted makeup, of course. And I gave him the option. I'm like, would you rather buy an established brand or an indie brand? And he was like, I'd rather buy indie because he creates indie products. So I was like, awesome. Here's a couple of places that I'd like. And so he bought me the JD Glow ones. So, and here they are. And they are beautiful. And I actually have purchased these Anastasia palettes, magnetic palettes, for my homemade eyeshadows, and they are fantastic. They're super heavy duty. The magnet just like sucks those pants right onto it. So I am really excited about that purchase. It was buy one, get one 50% off, so I got 4 of them for $30, which is amazing because if I really love these JD Glow eyeshadows, I'm probably gonna buy more on my own. And I can fill it with my own homemade stuff, so win-win. And I got these NYX eyeshadow bases. I got the white and I got the skin tone. I'm gonna use these today. I'm actually gonna use the nude because the majority of my eye look is gonna be a nude look, and I'm just gonna use the JD Glow on my lids. So there you have it. I've already swatched them, so I figured they're pretty pigmented. I might as well just stick with the nude. That'll be fine. But let's actually, I'm gonna pull them out of the pants. And like I said, I mean, this is a super magnetic magnet in these palettes, so they're not the easiest to get out. But here's the first one, and that is Bestie. And that's like a copper with a gold reflect, and it's beautiful. The next one is Bora Bora, and that is beautiful. It's blue with a silver reflect, and it's got a little gold shift to it. I'm getting a little better at this swatching thing, thank you, if I do say so myself, but look at that. That is lovely. And finally, the last color, and I think this is probably going to be my favorite out of all of them. This is Peachy Keen, and it is pink with a little bit of peachy gold reflect to it. And it actually, and I don't know if you can really see it on camera, it's got a blue shift to it as well, which is absolutely stunning. Hopefully you can see that in camera. It is gorgeous. I think for today, I'm actually gonna put the Bora Bora maybe on the outside and use that Peachy Keen for the majority of my lid because I just wanna slap it all over my face. what can I say? So let's try this NYX stuff out really quick. And I'm gonna use, this is one of the Sigma brushes that came with the set. This is the P84. And please don't judge me if I'm mispronouncing this name. I'm so sorry, but I love her. On Knook, I believe she pronounces her name On. Anyways, she's so talented and beautiful. But this is her favorites set. And I'll leave the link below so that if you want to check it out, you can. I looked for tutorials or reviews to see if anybody had purchased this and done a review on this, and I didn't see any, so it was interesting. Speaking of interesting, okay, these things are double sealed. So you have a seal over the lid, and then you have a seal over this. I suspect this seal is probably to make sure that it doesn't dry out. Hopefully that's what it's for. I mean, I don't know. I could be totally wrong and just making an ass of myself. That's happened before. Boys always restless. Always. Oh, that's very creamy. Very creamy. It actually feels quite nice. It's not tacky, it's creamy. Definitely not like my other eyeshadow bases. It's actually more like a cream concealer, I would say. We're gonna see though, because this eye will definitely be the test. But the white version of this is supposed to really make colorful eyeshadows pop. So far that feels very nice. Initial impression, I really like that actually. So for the neutral parts, I just dug out my little Pure Creator palette, and as you can tell, I've already like bastardized it and thrown a whole bunch of crap in there, but I was thinking because it's a lighter base, I'll probably use this color all along the upper eyelid right here, and this to just kind of go in as a crease color, just to give my eyes a little bit of definition before I throw those bright colors on there. And I'm gonna use another brush from that set. This is the Sigma E40 Tapered. I'm gonna use that with the lighter shade. My initial thoughts on these, I've used them a few times since I got them, and they actually, for synthetic hair brushes, pick up substantially more product than you would expect. Like I would expect a lot of product pickup from my natural hair brushes, but I didn't quite expect that from these, which I actually appreciate because you can kind of monitor what you're using. The ferrules look like they're actually screwed on rather than just glued on, which is nice. They're threaded like a screw. They're more weighty than the rest of my brushes, so they're very nice. So far, I'm very, very happy with them. Next brush I'm gonna go in with is the E33. This is a detailed diffused crease brush, and I'm gonna try and go into this one pretty lightly because, like I said, I don't want a bunch of color. I just really want it to, you know, give my eyes a little bit of definition for those colorful Shady Glow colors. I really do think that this was such an underrated palette. It's very nice. Oh God, I've had a whole week off. I took the week of Christmas off because my birthday is also that week, and it's just been so nice. I've gotten so much done, but now I don't want to go back to work. It's making me a little giddy. Sadly, I had all this stuff planned. I was gonna tape a bunch of videos and, you know, edit a bunch of stuff, and so I was consistent and throwing stuff up all the time, and then I got sidetracked and that didn't happen, but it's all right. It's my vacation. I can do with it as I choose. All right, so I think I'm good with how this looks. Let's look. Had to check the monitor. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Bora Bora first. I'm just gonna throw that right here, just right on the outside. Wow, this is a beautiful color. I always end up going further on this eye for some reason. Why do I do that? I don't know. Now I'm gonna go in with Bestie. Okay, this is kind of bizarre because I didn't experience a lot of fallout with the blue, but I'm experiencing it with this. So just a heads up. But it is so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take my little detail eye brush. There is some kick up out of the pan too, just so you're aware. I don't know if you can see that right here. That's all right. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna take this little blending brush that came with the kit, and this is a nice brush. This is not probably what most people use it for, but I'm just gonna use it for this really quick to blend that in a little bit. I really like these. All right, so my initial thoughts, I want younger eyelids so they'll just really just be like, phew, like lasers. Shiny lasers. All right, I'm sorry. I know, Austin Powers reference, what can I say? They're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. They're very creamy. There's a little bit of fallout with a couple of the colors. Well, I say a couple of the colors. I didn't really have any fallout with the blue, but I did have fallout with the pinkish green. So that's different micas and different reflex are gonna create variations on it. So it's just one thing that I've learned in experimenting with eyeshadows. If you use different types of micron counts in your mica powders and you're trying to make this beautiful formula, even if you have that formula set for your binders and that kind of thing, it's gonna vary because of the micron count of your micas, but I digress. Anyways, let me put on some eyeliner and some mascara and I will be right back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I just finished it off with some Maybelline The Falsies mascara, which I like this, but I have to tell you something very unique about this mascara. You put it on and it looks really dark and pretty and lifts and volumes and, you know, whatever. And then you go to do your other eye and you get that one done and then you look back at this one and it doesn't look as dark. So you have to retouch it to get it to look like it did with the first coat. It's so weird. I don't even know how to explain it, but you have to go in with a couple of coats of this stuff to make it really pop. But I like it for what it is, which is drugstore mascara. So it's good stuff for drugstore mascara. And then I just finished off my lips with the Bite Beauty Gloss. They're the matte lip crayons and I really love this. I love this stuff. It tastes good, it smells good. I don't know, it's a great universal neutral color. I got one free with my Sephora birthday sale and I've been buying them ever since. So what can I say? Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully if you're interested in getting like some indie brands like JD Glow, there are probably thousands of reviews on YouTube, but I never had any. So I wanted to get on here and tell you what I thought about it. And they are beautiful. That's what I have to say. They're beautiful, and actually for an indie brand, for beautiful shadows that are, in fact, and this is something I wanted to point out because most indie brands, their shadows are in 26mm pans, which is what I purchased from TKB Trading to make my eyeshadows in. These are much bigger than that. So you're really getting the value for what you're putting into it financially. Again, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell and it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. It won't always be makeup, I promise. Oh, and check me out. Two blue eyeshadow looks in like 2 videos. My God, who am I? But it's a beautiful blue, you have to admit. What can I say? Anyways, have a fabulous day wherever you are, and we will see you next time. Bye! Bye, bye, bye.